Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Tesla Model 3 side mirror. Before starting, gather your tools, including a torque screwdriver, a plastic trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket. It is crucial to have a genuine Tesla or compatible aftermarket mirror for proper fitment. Always wear eye protection and cut-resistant gloves to ensure your safety throughout the process. To begin, you will need to carefully remove the door panel to gain access to the mirror's mounting points and electrical connections. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the panel away, avoiding damage. Next, locate and disconnect the 3 electrical connectors attached to the mirror assembly. Finally, use a 10mm socket to remove the 3 bolts securing the old mirror to the door frame. Now take your new side mirror assembly and carefully route its wiring harness through the opening in the door. Position the new mirror onto the door frame, aligning the bolt holes. Hand tighten the 3 10mm bolts to secure it, avoiding over-tightening. Reconnect all 3 electrical connectors to the new mirror, ensuring each connection is firm and properly seated. With the new mirror installed, it is time to reattach the door panel. Carefully align the panel and press it firmly into place, ensuring all clips snap securely. Before driving, test the mirror's electronic adjustments, heating, and any other integrated functions. Finally, clean the mirror glass thoroughly to remove any smudges or fingerprints, ensuring clear visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.